Hey DIY Earthlings! Hey the creative Earthlings, okay? Hey creative Earthlings! Yes, you guessed it, it's summer and it's almost noon, so everything's gonna be boiling hot soon. But my DIY bag couldn't hold it any longer, so here I am. I found this thing my mother had and nobody wanted, and lucky for me, my glass chessboard fits almost perfectly on top. So I figured out new side table it is. So let's DIY. Let's see if I can still do this. It's a challenge for me, okay? It's a challenge. September now, but it's still very hot. Okay, so the ongoing process has it sort of like this. We've created a template and I'm gonna use this to copy the measurements I need for the underlayer of the shadow box table. This is simply something that I've left unfinished. Maybe COVID-19 era, it's a good period for me to finish all the things that I've left unfinished. I don't have the right tools for this DIY, but whatever, it's a DIY. You gotta use what you have on hand. Even though it's a very thin piece of wood, something that I had lying around, it's hard to saw. Maybe I'll finish this by tomorrow or next week. This is not the best way to do this, definitely, but hopefully it will work. Glue that's especially for wood, so this needs to be left to dry overnight, but there are still gaps that are kind of large, so to fill them up I think I'm gonna use hot glue and see what happens. Certain that everything is sealed and whatever we put inside and will go all over the place. In this case I'm gonna fill it with sand and make it all like summery, beach vibes, that sort of thing. That's what I like. We're gonna make something like this, what would you fill it up with? Ugh, sand hands. I don't know what's worse, sand hands or Cheeto hands. Some driftwood, some shells, plus they're gonna remind me of this summer, which was so much different than any other year. I had some major realizations about my life this summer. And you know, crafts, at one point in my life, used to serve as an outlet and I used to make lots and lots of things. Finally, the chessboard on top, and this is gonna make it like a nice little bedside table, I guess. I can still use this to play chess, but I've lost the chess